Start. The applicant and the opposite party are an estranged couple. Stop. They were married according to Hindu rites on June the 8th, 2019 at Noida, district Gautam Budh Nagar. Stop. The applicant stayed with the opposite party in their matrimonial home at Gautam Budh Nagar, but complaints of cruelty, including physical violence, appeared early into the marriage. Stop. It appears that opposite party is employed as a senior manager in the Human Resource Development Department of Honda Car India Limited. Stop. He said to draw a salary of rupees 90,000 per month. Stop. The applicant's father-in-law is also claimed to be gainfully employed. Stop. There are allegations also about dowry demand and torture in order to extract more dowry. Stop. It is not the province of this court to go into those allegations, but whatever has transpired between the applicant and the opposite party, their marriage has run into rough weather. Para. The opposite party instituted a petition in the family court Gautam Budh Nagar under section 12 within bracket 1 within bracket B and C read with section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act, seeking a decree for amendment on the ground that the applicant was of unsound mind, a condition that her family knew but misrepresented, practicing fraud and deception to induce the opposite party into marrying the applicant. Stop. This petition was registered on the file of the Principal Judge, Family Court, Gautam Budh Nagar as case number 1326 of 2019. Stop. It is this petition that the applicant seeks to be transferred from Gautam Budh Nagar to the family court at Allahabad. Para. The grounds urged to seek transfer are that there is a case instituted by the wife at Prayagraj under section 125 CRPC being case number 232 of 2020 besides another under section 12 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 that is pending before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court number 7 Allahabad numbered as case number 1800 of 2020. Stop. Details of these cases are set out in paragraph numbers 17 and 18 of the affidavit it filed in support of the transfer application. Para. The ground called out on this score is that since two cases are already pending inter partes before the courts at Allahabad, it would be convenient if the husband's petition for annulment is also transferred from Gautam Budh Nagar to the family court at Allahabad, where the parties can request the court concerned to fix a uniform date. Stop. It is pointed out that the applicant stays at Prayagraj after her estrangement, and the further ground is that she is a woman and unemployed. Stop. Who cannot travel by herself from Allahabad to Gautam Budh Nagar on each date fixed in the petition there. Stop. If she is compelled to do that, her defense will be prejudicially affected. Stop. It is also indicated amongst the adversity of her circumstances that render it difficult for her to travel from Prayagraj to Gautam Budh Nagar, that her father is an old man who is retired from service. Stop. He suffers from old age ailments. Stop. She has no one to travel with or escort her on every date from Prayagraj to Gautam Budh Nagar. Stop. It is also averred in paragraph number 26 of the affidavit filed in support of this transfer application that the applicant has apprehensions about her safety in the event she were compelled to attend at Gautam Budh Nagar because the husband opposite party and his family members are politically well connected. Stop. Her life would be in danger. Para. In the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the opposite party, there is a specific denial of the various allegations that the wife has come up with regarding the cause for estrangement, particularly about domestic violence and dowry demand. Stop. It is, as earlier said, not a matter of concern to this court in the present proceedings. Stop. In paragraph number 11 of the counter affidavit, the institution and pendency of the two cases before the courts at Allahabad, one under section 125 CRPC and the other under the Domestic Violence Act, have not been specifically denied in point of fact. Stop. So far as the allegations that the applicant is an unemployed woman unable to travel alone from Prayagraj to Gautam Budh Nagar is concerned. It is averred in paragraph number 14 that the applicant is a self-dependent woman who is a dentist by profession. Stop. It is averred that she is self-employed at present. Stop. It is also pleaded in paragraph 14 that it is incorrect to say that the applicant cannot travel alone because she is a woman. Stop. It is also asserted that the trivial inconvenience involved in travel to the wife cannot be accepted as a ground to transfer the husband's petition for annulment. Stop. There is a like stance to the wife's case about her father being a retired man unable to escort her to Gautam Budh Nagar on every date scheduled there. Stop. The allegations about political connections of the husband at Gautam Budh Nagar and the applicant's perception of threat to her life if she attends at Gautam Budh Nagar have been dispelled on the foot of pleadings in paragraph number 12 of the counter affidavit, where it is said that the husband belongs to a middle class reputed family. Stop. The apprehensions expressed are founded on conjecture. Stop. There is an averment in paragraph number 18 of the affidavit filed in support of this transfer application to the following effect.